Here's a list of some fun and shocking facts about nature.
When thunder rumbles, it's basically the earth burping after eating a giant plate of nachos. No wonder it sounds so grumpy. Trees can talk, but nobody listens because they only say things like photosynthesis is awesome. And did you see that squirrel bury his acorns again? Bees are responsible for making honey, which is basically nature's candy. So why do they sting us? It's like getting punched in the face after receiving a chocolate bar. Talk about mixed signals. Do these facts surprise you?